Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. We're now in September, and if you've been in crypto for a while, you already know this month has a terrible reputation. Historically, it's been the weakest month for both Bitcoin and stocks, and in every post-halving year, 2013, 2017, and 2021, Bitcoin saw a sharp correction right around this time, so the big question is, will 2025 repeat the same pattern, or could this be the year it finally breaks? Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so why does September matter so much? When you look at Bitcoin's seasonal performance, this month stands out like a sore thumb. It's the only month that consistently shows a double negative. Both the average and median returns come in red, and it's not just crypto. If you zoom out to the S&P 500, the broader stock market also performs the worst in September based on 15 years of data. That's why traders often call it red timber. To really see the pattern, let's rewind to the past post-halving years. In 2013, Bitcoin rallied strongly in August, peaked on the very last day of the month, and then dropped 15% in just over a week before bouncing back mid-September. In 2017, Bitcoin topped on September 2nd, followed by a brutal 40% crash over 13 days. The second half of September actually turned positive, and in 2021, Bitcoin peaked on September 7th before dropping around 25% over 2 weeks, then stabilizing and regaining strength. So the key point here is that September isn't entirely bad. It's usually just a 2-week correction that hits hard, shakes the market, and then gives way to recovery. Now here in 2025, Bitcoin has already seen several strong months this year, and momentum has been building. That sets up the possibility that early to mid-September could bring a sharp correction, just like we've seen in the past. If history repeats, we could be looking at a 20 to 30% drop for Bitcoin and potentially 30 to 50% on altcoins. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The Federal Reserve has a major meeting scheduled in mid-September. If they announce a rate cut, that timing could line up almost exactly with the bottom of a potential September dip, very similar to previous cycles. So, what's the smart move? If the pattern plays out again, the first 2 weeks of September are the danger zone. That's the period where defensive strategies make the most sense. After that, markets have often stabilized and begun their next move higher. The key here isn't to panic, it's to be prepared. At the end of the day, history doesn't guarantee the future, but the September crash pattern has been too consistent to ignore. The real question now is, will 2025 bring another bloody September, or will this be the year it finally breaks? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.